Good morning, students. Now today we shall discuss about our next topic, that is nouns, countable and uncountable. In previous chapter also I have explained you about the countable and uncountable nouns. Today I am telling you again the nouns which we can count. The nouns which we can count are called countable nouns, and the nouns which we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Now let us discuss the difference between them. First, countable nouns have plural forms. Remember, countable nouns have plural forms. For example, spoon, spoons, student, students. But uncountable nouns, the nouns which we cannot count, do not have plural forms. The uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. For example, snow, snow, flower, flower, jam, jam. Remember that. Countable nouns have plural forms, but uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. Next, countable nouns are objects that can be counted as separate units by using numbers. For example, 2 spoons, 6 students. Means countable nouns are that type of object which can be counted by using the numbers like 2 spoons and 6 students. But uncountable nouns, the nouns which we cannot count, are objects that cannot be separated and counted individually. Means we cannot give the separate numbers for uncountable nouns. So, we use quantifiable words such as much, some, or a little before uncountable nouns to quantify them. We cannot give the numbers to uncountable noun, but we can give quantifiable words such as much, some, or a little before uncountable nouns to quantify them. For example, much snow, some flour, a little jam. Next, abstract nouns are mostly uncountable. In previous chapter also I have explained you about the abstract noun. That abstract noun, what is abstract noun? That noun which we cannot see or touch but can only think of it. We can think of it. That is called abstract noun. So here abstract nouns are mostly uncountable. Okay. Abstract which we cannot count. So we cannot count the abstract nouns. For example, patriotism, courage, laziness. Next, the phrase how many. Remember, the phrase how many is used with countable nouns. The phrase how many is used with countable nouns. For example, how many hill stations have you visited so far? Here, hill station is a countable noun and we can use how many with it. Okay, the phrase how many is used with the countable noun. Next, the phrase how much is combined with uncountable nouns, or we can say that the phrase how much we can use it for the uncountable nouns. For example, how much oil should I pour in the pan? Oil here is an uncountable noun, and what we have done here, we use how much phrase here with the uncountable noun. Next, the determiner any. Remember, the determiner any is used in negative sentences with countable as well as uncountable nouns. We can say that the determiner any we can use with uncountable and countable nouns but only in the negative sentences. For example, I have not brought any notebook today. Notebook is a countable noun, but this sentence is a negative sentence. So here we use before uncountable noun any determiner. Next example. There isn't going to be any basketball practice today. Here basketball practice is a uncountable noun and this is also a negative sentence. So we use here also any determiner. So we can say that the determiner any is used in negative sentences with the both countable and uncountable nouns. Thank you, students.